All right, hello guys, welcome once again to Shekutech. Okay, today I will be showing you one beautiful application, okay, that allows you to make your calculation without having to minimize this particular application. Okay, so the name of the application is floating calculator. All right, let's click on this application and see how it works. When we click on this application, okay, the application is up now, showing you a particular calculator that you can use to just calculate whichever thing you feel like. Okay, this is actually wonderful for the business tycoons. All right, let's click, okay, and see. Let's make some calculation. 25 times 3. Now this equals to 75. As you can see, the calculator has shown this, and you might be wondering what exactly is this calculator doing for you. All right, the wonderful thing about this calculator is that the calculator can be moved on the screen of the phone, just like the system calculator. You can move this calculator to whichever part on the phone you want to while you still work on your phone. You can see now this application is somehow floating on the phone, whereby you can still do whatever you want to do with your phone. While I work with my phone, I can still make some calculations. Alright, that is the beautiful part of this particular application. And if you're not comfortable with the size of this application, the size can be altered using this particular arrow that has two-sided arrows. Now when you click on that two-sided arrow, now you can move and make your application bigger, the calculator bigger if you like to, and you can still do the same thing if you want it smaller again. Okay, you click on the both side arrow, okay, so you can make this thing the size that you want the application to appear. And even after doing that, you can still move your calculator at any point on the phone and make it be anywhere you're comfortable with it. So this is a wonderful application for individuals who are doing business, and you don't need to minimize your application in order for you to continue working on your phone. So you can work on the phone while you still have your calculator on. That is the beautiful thing about this application. And you can decide to minimize this application and get it back. If you want to minimize, this arrow facing up is what you click. After clicking on that, this application has been minimized, and you can get it back by simply going up here and then checking here. Now you see this is the calculator, floating calculator, and you click on it, you're back to the calculator. Now if you close this application by clicking this, okay, the only way to get it back is to go and find the icon of this particular application and then click again, and you're back to this calculator. Well, this is a wonderful application for those who understand what I'm saying. Alright, if you have learned anything on this video or any of my videos, please kindly hit the subscription button and on the notification bell so you won't have to miss subsequent outstanding Android applications that will be coming up soon. Don't forget to like this video and share amongst family and friends so they won't have to miss out as well. Thank you very much for watching. I remain Shekutech.